Alright everyone, this is going to be a video of my 1987 HJ60 diesel Toyota Land Cruiser. Originally from Canada, although I have some literature from Germany. I do have paperwork from the purchase dealer, or at least service dealer, out in Quebec. She's been in my possession for 10 years, and for the last 4.5 or 5 or so, I've been restoring it. It's a frame off resto, full body paint taken down to bare metal, rust being cut out, new metals welded in, new metal patches welded in, whatever needed. I had a donor truck where the metal came from, and this is what it looks like today. It's been a long time coming, and I've worked on it whenever I had free time, which is why it took me close to 5 years to finish it. But I'm gonna go ahead and try and show the truck as best I can, because this is going to go up for sale. It's gonna be tough because I have no idea where to begin. However, we're just gonna try and list what's been done. I'm just gonna show the interior a little bit. I have brand new hardware that's been sent out for plating, installed, new tail lights, new lenses. There's one thing that's missing here, and that's the headliner. I put in sound deadening and then glued on a layer of neoprene on top. All this work on the truck, with the exception of the paint, has been performed by myself. Sorry. The paint was done in PA at a shop. Shout out to Marvin at Marvin's Auto Body out of where are they? In Pennsylvania somewhere. I'll link in the description of the shop. These are all original upholstery panels, original seating surfaces. These are original to the truck. They've just been cleaned and extracted. Brand new rubber gaskets everywhere. Brand new rubber here. I've eliminated the chrome. I don't really like it. These are the Euro mirrors, all OEM original. It's got the factory speakers. Nothing's been added. And what else? I did put in a Bluetooth only player, and I did install a 24 to 12 volt converter for the power to get the radio to run on 12 volts. All right, what else? Let's see. Let's get under the hood. All original wheels, 31 10.5s, Kumho Road Venture AT51s. I only have 4 of them. I've been looking for a 5th so I can include it as a spare. I just can't find one anywhere, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw in the Michelin that I have laying around as the 5th tire for the spare. It's just gonna be a whole spare. All right, so now get to the motor here. Motor's been taken down to bare block, taken to a shop. It's been bored out 50,000s, matching pistons, brand new Japanese bearings. It's got a brand new cam, brand new Toyota lifters. It's got a stainless exhaust, 2.5 inch, with a single muffler, and that's it's a little loud, but it's kind of cool. It's got a brand new OEM Toyota radiator. I think it's brass, if I'm not mistaken. It's got brand new braking system front to back, including brand new rear brake line from the master all the way back. The LSPV has been eliminated. I'm gonna go ahead and touch the exhaust because I want to show you a cold start. There you go. Hasn't been started. Nice and chill. Let's move around to the bottom. The frame is a donor frame from a 62 that I picked out, came from Montana. Driven halfway across the country. I went and picked it up from Kentucky. Shout out to I Hate Mud for helping out with that. These are brand new Koito headlights. These were a gift from a good friend of mine, aka Benno. Let's get to the chassis part. Alright, so the axles have been disassembled, rebuilt, brand new bearings, gaskets, all the good stuff. It's got brand new Old Man Emu shocks front and back. It's got brand new U-joints in both drive shafts. The transfer case been disassembled, rebuilt, transmission fully disassembled and rebuilt, all with parts from Japanese parts from Cruiser Tech. Brand new OEM front and rear bumpers, brand new OEM emblems here, and on the other side it's got a safari snorkel. I toyed with the idea of eliminating it, but I kind of liked it, so I left it be when we did the paint job. I'm going to include some pictures of the paint work and the process that took place. And let's go ahead and take it for a drive. Oh, I want to mention this is the, even though it's a 60, it does have the 62 style front axle, which is the beefier truss style axle. It's got the rear sway bar, and it also has shoulder seat belts on the back for the rear passengers. All right, key. It's a 5-speed factory. Alright, let's just shut down the stereo here. We have an antenna, it's all manual, OEM. I'm gonna shut this down. Alright, 4-wheel drive. I engage this for the pictures. Off, on, off. Handbrake, headlights, low, high, hazards, turn signal, Truck has about 500 miles since I put it on the road, and it's been doing really well, drives great, feels great. These things are pretty good. Oh yeah, let's try the wipers. Nice. They're pretty good, these trucks. They have taken care of and maintained. They last a very long time. But this is not a speed monster. She pulls really well. I'm in 4th gear right now. Now I forgot to mention one thing. The AC is beautiful. Nice and cold. I love it. Start while hot.